Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Is There Any Requirements Cause I Love You, chapter 10. So here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, Wu Xing, she was comforting Shangxi. I was hurt so much. I was really hurt all these years. Shangxi said to Wu Xing. Right now, Hussein, she don't know what to do. She was still trying to listen and also trying to hold her down. It seems that the Lord, she was really experiencing something all these past years. Hussein, she was listening to her. Now she was patting her head and she was staring on hers. Shangxi, she moved closer to her. Now Hussein, she was watching her. Seems that Shangxi is having a hard time to fall asleep. Probably the noise of the background. That's why Wu Xing, she really got closer to her, trying to comfort her. Too much shrinking. It will open your wound, Wu Xing said to Shangxi. Oh, she really come closer to her. The more it shrinks, the more painful it is. She's trying to explain her that she don't need to move so that her wound, it won't open again. Wu Xing, she got really curious about her. She was asking her, does it hurt again? Now, she's trying to go, but Shangxi tries to stop her and said, don't go. Oh, she moved closer. Wu Xing, turns out Shangxi, she can really act like this. Now, she was trying to calm her down. But until now, Shangxi, it is good to be fake as long as it's always they're just fine. Well, it turns out she was only acting. This girl, she can be really tricky, right? Wu Xing told her a promise that she was always be her for her. Well, definitely she's going to protect her at all costs. She's been closer to Shangxi. She's trying to calm her down and told her just to sleep. Well, let's hope that Shangxi, she can really fall asleep quickly. Right now, Wu Xing is trying to calm her down. She was hugging her tightly. It's already very late. Shangxi, finally, she falls down. Now, she's trying to comfort her. Looking at this girl, it seems that he's been taking care of her. It was next day. The head of the family is so hard. I went to the lab before I woke up. I don't know if she ate breakfast. Well, the cousin finally has been awakened. This girl, she really partied all night, and right now, she already came to greet her and also to check her cousin, her patient. Miss Shen, you came here so early. What's the order? I met the housekeeper on the road. She says that the masters asked her to send you some vegetable seeds. Vegetable seed was mentioned the fast yesterday. She really sent her the vegetable seed so she can able to sow on the yard. Acacia has been for a long time and I have not done anything because of the others people thoughts. It seems that she does take her prayer seriously. Oh, right now that it turns out Shangxi, it seems that she was really fond on her. Woohoo, didn't we just say a few words about that dead faces as per rushing us go? Don't want to live on the manor. In addition to here, where to find such a high salary. Well, they've been talking a lot about this, working on Shangxi. Of course, right now, and she was still talking. Mission, right now, they are. They didn't work well and said things that they shouldn't have said, so they were fired. Akasha is supporting you. She was pertaining to the Lord. Mission, the masters ate a lot last night and he didn't eat breakfast in the morning. Akasha's stomach, and she don't eat too much. Miss Shen was informing her. Last night, she really did eat a lot. Now, it really makes sense. In addition to cultivating flower seeds, in the future, the 3 meals of Akasha will also be handed over to you. So it turns out her work See the people's hearts for a long time. Others will know that you are good to Akasha. Not today. Yes, I will try my best to do it. Wu Xing said to Miss Shen. What kind of praise is she doing to you? Can make you willing to do things you don't want to do. You don't want to love. She was already coming in, seeing Miss Shen and Wu Xing talking. The head of the family, Miss Shen, is concerned about your diet. I hope I will cook and you can eat more and your body will recover quickly sometime. Seems that she is really kind to you. You can really excuse her. Oh, finally, it was Shangxi. She's trying to ask her questions. So, I'll go out to the kitchen to report for a while. She's trying not to answer her questions. Now, she wants to go to leave. If you don't want to go, don't go to a small single house. And it's not that there is no kitchen. Just eat in a single house. Well, at this moment, till now, Shangxi is trying not to bother her so much by giving her so much work. Master Yao, go and have a look. Someone was reporting to Shangxi, asking her to go to the lab to check. Now, Shangxi said they need to go to the lab right now. Wu Xing told her that you're still hurt. Wu Xing, she's trying to stop her. Shangxi said Wu Xing, I'm fine. You can stay well. Oh, she's been left alone again. Well, it turns out, even if it's the fact, if it's the positions of the heart, she has been working so hard. Shangxi, turns out she was really a tough girl. By Wu Xing, she got really worried about her. Wu Xing, she got really confused. Miss Shen, she's like this, so don't worry. Miss Shen was informing her. Vaccination research and development. New progress, Akasha will definitely entertain the red team tonight. Dinner of more than 20 people. You will be very busy. If you are too busy, go to the big kitchen and ask for the cook. When she arrived on the lab, you won't be Wu Xing, right? So it turns out, also to beat her. It seems that everyone is getting fun on her. Finally, Shangxi, she already came in. Are you watching monkeys here? Oh, Wu Xing, it turns out she's really getting possessive, right? She don't want anyone to talk to Wu Xing casually. Inside the lab, and she was approaching Shangxi. Wu Xing told Shangxi, Lord, I'm here to deliver your lunch. Well, looking at Shangxi, it seems that she will have a good lunch this time. Wu Xing, she really prepared it for her. See on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!